Hi folks! So we had a debate about a question. Now that we're here at the beach, a question came up about what kind of clothing is sun protective at the beach. And don't steal my snow peas! My husband loves to wear white button-down shirts, and he was about to go in the ocean with his white button-down shirt. And I said, honey, wait! You might burn yourself if you go in with your shirt, because when it gets wet, it might protect your skin less from the sun. And he said, that's hogwash. And I said, no, really. I heard from a camp counselor when I was 10 that this was true. And so we made a bet that over one piece of sea glass. And I looked up this information and I found the Skin Cancer Foundation website, and it explained that a white t-shirt, for example, a white t-shirt when dry has an ultraviolet protection factor, a UPF of 7. But when it's wet, which means that 1/7 of the sun's ultraviolet rays touch your skin. But when this white t-shirt becomes wet, it has a UPF of 3, meaning 1/3 of the ultraviolet rays touch your skin. Whether or not you would burn because of this amount of sun exposure, I suppose, depends on your skin and the day and all of those other things. But a wet shirt is only about half as protective as a dry shirt. I think we can conclude. The other things we learned is that darker colors block more sunlight, and tighter weaves or thicker fabrics also block more. And that
helps most.
that's probably a good idea too.